Good morning everyone. My name is Bakshi. I am studying in 7th standard. Today one of the subject social and religion reforms. Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda born on 12 January 1863. He in Kolkata. Original name Narendra Datta. We celebrate National Youth Day on his birthday. Arise, awake, stop not till you not reach the goal. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa was born on February 1863. 1863 in West Bengal. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa married to Sada Devi. He was a Hindu saint and religion leader in the 9th century in Bengal. He became a parish and Kali temple Dakshinavara. Thank you.